To roll a cigar, I show you.
Yes, how to roll a cigar.
We have first one leaf. So we call this leaf binder leaf. It's the first leaf. It got to be a little moist.
Not moist, yeah, because it needs to get
And
shaped.
then the leaves we put inside the cigar, like this. I don't have enough leaves to show you, but what? They should be very dry.
Yeah.
Because when I press the cigar, the air, the smoke should go through
Oh
the
yes.
cigar.
Little bit is the moisture and little bit dry.
Yeah,
Is the balanced.
yeah,
Yeah. We are putting in tobacco some leaves.
yeah,
Why? Is the moisturizer. Is the tobacco.
yeah,
Yeah, in Turkey.
yeah.
But
Now-
it's closed all farmer.
Now I start rolling like this. Now this knife is very important. We call it chaveta.
Chaveta.
Have the size of the hand and it's curved
Yeah,
to cut.
et yapıyoruz ya biz de
No problem.
kebap yaparken.
Arada üç.
Now I use this paper.
Yeah, I like it.
I use this paper for giving the shape and the press to the cigar.
This paper.
Yeah. Later on, I take off the
Take
paper and put the last leaf.
All right.
Now I select. You know the song.
Yeah, I know.
I select the leaf I'm gonna put outside. We call it wrapper leaf. It's very
And the
thin,
shasta,
right?
yes. It's very thin, but it's soft, so you can give
So
best shape.
I keep it moist and inside this.
Yeah. Biraz moist tutuyorlar onu.
Yeah, çünkü
Şeyde
şey,
şekil
içtiğin
alabiliyor.
zaman hızlı
Yeah.
yanmaması
Now
lazım.
this is very important.
This is-
I feel 20 years younger after the cigar.
But my eyes are very bad as well.
But you're still young, very young.
No, but I can't see far. It's seven.
Ah, but-
Seven.
After
Myope.
Myope.
myope. But you know one thing about myope people,
Yes, and
myopia
then
suffer
he
they are
hypermetro.
very intelligent.
I'm not intelligent.
You are 4, I'm 7.
But yeah, but
No, for
after
6
after
approx.
certain age, you will need glasses
Yeah, glasses, I know.
to see.
Yes, in few years.
Yeah. But you're still young. You're a.
No, I'm 39.
It's nothing.
Yeah.
In 2 years' time, it's coming.
I'm 57. You want to change?
Not yet.
70?
No, 57.
50.
You don't look like 57 as well.
I cut with the Chavez. Thank you. I look like 80.
No, no, no.
Then I cut here.
48 maybe. 48,
18. Now I take this I had in the paper
Yeah.
All right.
before.
Okay, it's pressed.
Very pressed because it's been
Wow.
for a while. Then I do this. It's broken here. But well, anyway, this is to show you.
Yeah.
What is that? This is
It's a special glue, natural, we use for the end here.
for the tree.
Yeah, from the tree.
Yeah.
From maple,
Yeah,
maple,
maple
syrup.
syrup. Yeah.
So I put it anyway inside. So when I have it like this,
Yeah.
I cut. And I cut something called handkerchief
Handkerchief.
Handkerchief, mendil.
or bandana,
Yeah.
because in Spanish we have the same word from bandana.
Bandana,
Bandana.
and
Or-
the
In
or
Turkish, bandana.
same.
We in Spanish say pañuelo.
Pañuelo.
Dana, Agnello.
We close here. Like this. ¿En qué?
Sorry.
So we close here.
Just
Salud.
salute.
You're very nice people.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You know something. Sometimes, anyway, we have to work with everyone.
Yes.
But sometimes we enjoy working with some people.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So it's like this.
we are traveling a lot.
Yeah, that's why you have that skill of.
Yeah.
Or we work a lot as well. I work with tourists all the time before. 10 years,
that
15
is-
years.
that's
yes.
why, that's why.
Yes.
I remember once there was a woman from Spain who
Yeah.
sit here, and I because I was a teacher for a while, and I know how to recognize people, and I told her, you work with people. Why? Because of the way
Yeah.
you know how to communicate.
Exactly.
So that's the way we roll a cigar. Then the cigar dries and we put them in cedar woods,
And
boxes like this,
yes, to keep the temperature.
and the smell.
Yeah.
Ladies first, please. Really, the smell of cedar is wonderful.
It's very nice.
So you can keep
it's
cigars.
not like a cigarette, you know.
No, you can keep cigars in cedar wood for a while.
Yes.
It's coming wood, cigars, and everything.
And also in Yaguas that is here. This is from the Royal Palm, but the boxes are better.
Yes.
Another thing we have here is honey.
Oh, honey. What do you do with the honey?
Honey, we drink, we use it as a medicine.
Yeah.
Medicine. It's from the flowers of.
Yeah. But it's nothing to do with the cigars, no?
No.
Separate.
You want to try money? You put your hand like this. We call it honey from the ground because it's produced by small bees,
Oh, yes.
and not in hives but in gloves. In balloons, like balloons made of wax. Put your hand like this.
Şey gibi yani ağaçtaki arı şeyleri var ya, neydi? Kovan.
Yeah.
Ne kadar soft.
What's that? This is a flower. Beans
Flowers
also.
from tobacco, from coffee, and white flower, and also flower. Do you know that tree, the big tree here?
Yeah.
That's avocado. But now they don't have flower. Avocado is only in summertime.
This is different. Tasting.
Yeah. And we have also coffee. No, se acabó el coffee.
No coffee.
We ran out of coffee.
Yeah, because
Okay.
this is the best.
To drink
So-
and not to sell.
If you want to take something from here,
Okay.
If you want.
to give
Yeah.
friends, cigars.
How much is your cigars?
Rum. Well, the cigars are, I have it round here. Well, these boxes are 55. These are 50. And the small box, like that, tráeme la cajita chiquita ahí,
Ne anlamda?
is 45.
Fiyatlar. İşte bunlar dolar ya da şeydir.
I'm talking about euros or
Aha, dolar. Evet.
or the equivalent in Cuban pesos.
How much is that?
Yeah.
Is that one of? Just one.
Hayır,
The
hepsi.
selling is the one
Like this.
pieces. This one.
Okay.
Do you sell in pieces? He's asking.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes we make a package of 5. because like at large only one, it can breaks maybe.
Yeah. Biz de maybe bilmiyorum. Sen ne diyorsun? Birer tane mi alalım hani? Yani maksat. Hani arkadaş çok da iyi olmadığını söylemişti. O kadar hani
Ha,
onun için.
öyle mi?
Diye.
Aa.
Diye. Bizim İbrahim. Onun için hani birer tane alayım diyorum. Normalde. Yeah, speaking.
Yeah, how much is one?
Yeah. This
If you want to get like
One piece.
just as a because we don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are not smoking.
Well, one piece. I tell you, this is
It's pesos.
uh,
Normally is here.
50.
Hepsi
So
5
50.
gibi bir şey alıyor.
Let me check it. We never sell one piece. That's why I have to
I know.
wait. So
10 tane var orada. Yani
you have
5.
Cuban peso? You told me.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, pesos.
Ah well. If you have Cuban